Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best DIY solar panels that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Rita C 30 pieces mini solar panels. This product is ideal for those who want a large quantity of mini panels for smaller DIY projects. Each panel is 5 volts, 30 milliamps, and measures 1.18 by 2.09 inches. The standout feature here is the pre-soldered wires, which makes setup a breeze for beginners and experienced DIY enthusiasts alike. The build quality is decent, with panels made from fiberglass backing that is waterproof and resistant to wear and tear. However, the efficiency falls in the mid-range category, at 15 to 20%. This may not be a best option for projects that require high power output, but is perfect for smaller applications like garden lighting or solar-powered crafts. The lightweight and compact design also make these panels portable and easy to experiment with. That said, the Rita C kit is best for those who are looking for quantity over individual performance. While it's affordable and versatile for small-scale projects, it lags behind in power output compared to others in this list. If you're a hobbyist or student working on solar experiments, this is a solid choice. However, for larger or more energy-demanding projects, you may want to look at the higher-ranked options. At number 4, we have the Aoshike 10 pieces mini solar panels. These panels provide a modest power output of 5 volts and 30 milliamps, making them ideal for building small DIY models, toys, or solar-powered string lights. What sets these apart is their high conversion efficiency, 21.5 to 23.5%, which maximizes energy generation even under varying sunlight conditions. Despite their compact size of 2.08 by 1.18 inches, the panels are constructed of durable polycrystalline silicon, ensuring a long service life. The lightweight design and broad range of applications make them a great choice for beginners or hobbyists who want to explore solar energy without breaking the bank. However, the small size means these panels are not suitable for larger-scale applications or powering devices that require higher energy outputs. While the Aoshike kit is versatile and efficient for its size, its small power output might not meet the needs of more demanding projects. It's perfect for educational purposes, small DIY crafts, or low-power appliances. Overall, this is a well-rounded option for anyone looking to dip their toes into solar energy experimentation. Coming in at number 3 is the Kanayu 30 pieces small solar panels kit, with each panel delivering 3 volts and 120 milliamps. This kit is a great option for small DIY projects like solar-powered lights, phone chargers, or flashlights. What makes this product stand out is the high conversion rate and the ability to connect panels in series or parallel, offering flexibility for modular configurations. The panels are made of quality glass and resin, making them durable and resistant to harsh weather conditions like wind and snow. Each panel also comes with pre-soldered wires for easy connection, saving you time and effort during setup. The compact 2.36 by 2.17 inch size is perfect for small-scale projects, and with 30 panels included in the kit, you'll have plenty of material for experimentation. While the Kanayu panels offer excellent versatility and build quality, their lower voltage and power output may not be sufficient for larger or more energy-intensive projects. However, if you're looking for reliability and scalability in a DIY solar panel kit, this product is a fantastic choice for educational and hobbyist applications. At number 2, we have the Felden Micro Solar Panels. This kit includes 5 panels, each delivering 5 volts and 200 milliamps, making them significantly more powerful than the previous options on this list. These panels are perfect for small DC appliances, science projects, or even small-scale solar systems. The build quality is excellent, featuring high-quality epoxy resin that makes the panels durable and resistant to wind, snow, and other environmental factors. Measuring 4.33 by 2.36 inches, These panels strike a balance between size and performance, making them versatile for a wide range of applications. The high efficiency ensures maximum energy capture, even in less than ideal sunlight conditions. While this kit is slightly more expensive than some of the other options, the higher power output and durability make it a worthwhile investment for more demanding DIY projects. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient solar panel kit that can handle moderate energy needs, the Feldon kit is an excellent choice. Finally, at number 1, we have the SolarX V2 Sun Tracking Solar Panel DIY Kit by Robotistem. This is not just a solar panel kit, it's a full educational experience. Equipped with an Arduino Nano microcontroller, servos, and light tracking sensors, this system is designed to follow the sun throughout the day to maximize energy capture. It's a fantastic option for those who want to learn about solar energy in a hands-on, interactive way. The build quality is exceptional. With all components included in the kit, the system is easy to assemble, thanks to the detailed manual and video tutorials available via QR codes. Once built, the SolarX V2 can power small appliances, charge phones, or even serve as a learning tool for coding and electronics. The sun tracking feature is a game changer, as it significantly boosts energy efficiency compared to static panels. While the SolarX V2 is on the pricier side, its advanced features and educational value make it well worth the investment. This kit is ideal for students, educators, or anyone passionate about renewable energy and technology. If you're looking for the most innovative and feature-packed solar panel kit, this is the one to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.